In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on Yahoo Mail. Let's dive into it and make your emailing experience a bit more personalized and intuitive. Start by opening your preferred web browser and head over to login.yahoo.com. This is the direct link to the Yahoo Mail login page. Once you're there, you'll see a prompt asking for your Yahoo email address. Go ahead and enter your email in the provided field. After you've done that, click on the Next button to proceed. Now it's time to enter your password. This step ensures your account remains secure and confirms your identity. So take a moment right here to carefully input your password. Once you've entered it correctly, click Next again. Doing so will log you into your Yahoo account and bring you directly to your email dashboard. Now that you're inside your account, it's time to update your language settings. To begin, look for the Personal Info section. You can typically find this in the account menu, or occasionally, it might pop up directly on your dashboard. This depends somewhat on the layout of your Yahoo homepage. Click on Personal Info, and this will redirect you to a new page containing all your account details. On this new page, be on the lookout for an option labeled Update Language. Once you find it, give it a click, and you'll notice a menu icon next to a heading titled Preferred Language. Click this menu icon, and a list of languages will be presented to you. Here, you'll see various language options you can choose from. Take your time to go through the list and select the language you prefer. It's important to choose carefully, as this change will affect how your entire Yahoo Mail interface appears. After selecting your desired language, the next step is crucial. Remember to save your changes by clicking Save Updates. This ensures that the modifications you've made are appropriately applied to your account. Congratulations! You have now successfully changed the language settings in Yahoo Mail. The interface should now reflect your selected language, making emails and other functionalities appear in your preferred tongue. Such an adjustment can significantly enhance your mailing experience, making it smoother and more efficient, especially if you find another language more comfortable. If, in the future, you wish to revert or switch to a different language, simply retrace these steps. This flexibility allows you to tailor your Yahoo Mail experience to best suit your personal needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Yahoo Mail experience.